Today, we're uncovering the real story behind budget-friendly 4-star stays in Manhattan. I'm talking location perks, sneaky fees, cozy vibes, or cramped quarters. Spoiler alert, there are perks, but you've got to know what to watch out for. Number 1. YOTEL, New York Times Square. Known for its futuristic, compact rooms and high-tech amenities, hello, luggage-storing robot YOBOT and self-checking kiosks. Rates hover around $401 per night, which is still about 19% cheaper than the average NYC 4-star hotel. But tiny living spaces equals great for minimalist travelers. Not for anyone needing room to stretch out. Red flag. Ultra-compact rooms can feel claustrophobic after a long day. Number 2. Aliz Hotel, Times Square boutique vibe with killer location. Steps from Broadway, plus a rooftop bar with views and even a farm-to-burger restaurant on site. Rates vary. Around $150 to $229 midweek before taxes and fees, but some sources list averages closer to $243 to $494 per night. It's chic, but expect extra fees. A resort fee, filament $34 a night, plus a $150 security deposit taken at check-in. Red flag. Hidden resort fees and hefty deposits can quickly erase that budget appeal. Number 3. Arlo Midtown Lauder, social-minded with free bike rentals, rooftop bar, and a strong vibe factor. TripAdvisor rates it solidly at 405ths. Average around $396 to $373 per night. Again, undercutting the NYC 4-star average by a 26 to 32%. But watch out. Resort fees, it's $34 a night, and tourism fees, filament 50 cents, also apply. Red flag, presentation during booking can gloss over these, so always read the fine print.
Need good options?
Yes, if you're strategic. Midweek or low-season deals at Aliz can bring rates down to $150 before fees. Loyalty programs or booking directly, especially at YOTEL's website, can get discounts up to 20%. Stay at YOTEL if you're channeling a Bond villain, but just don't plan on doing cartwheels in your room. Aliz, great for the gram-worthy rooftop, but you might ask yourself, where did my deposit go? And Arlo? Ideal for rooftop cocktails, just be ready for those hidden fees to sneak in faster than a subway rat. So, would you roll the dice on these budget-friendly 4 stars? Have you been surprised by hidden resort fees? Or scored a killer deal midweek? Drop your stories in the comments or tag the friend you dare to stay with here in NYC. And if you're planning your NYC trip or any other travel adventure, reach out to me at hello@abdulconnects.com or visit abdulconnects.com for personalized travel help, hotel recommendations, and curated experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome updates.